Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good with your classes and everything. Welcome to another video from Pearson Solution. This time it's of Exp22 PowerPoint Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Food Pantry. So let's read the project description. It's about your school's culinary club is raising money for the local food pantry. You volunteer to create a slideshow. Let's zoom it out. That will be shown at a fundraiser put on by the club. In this activity you will create a presentation that meet the slideshow design principles, has shapes, animation and video. Okay, so this is what we need to do in our project of chapter 2 PowerPoint. Let's start PowerPoint, download and open the file name. This one, Cumulative Assessment Food Pantry PPTX. So this is our file, and grader has automatically added my last name to the beginning of the file name. Before starting this project, I want to let you know that you must have these two. This is the donation image and this is the food pantry video. You must have these files before starting your project, otherwise you will not be able to complete this project without these two support files. One is image and other is the video one. So let's start it from step number 2. It is saying that you have to change the theme font to the Troopage MS. I have shown you how to change the theme font in the first chapter video of the first chapter. I will show you again here. Come to the home tab, come to the design tab and then change the theme font from here. This is the font. What is our required one? This is the one, Troopage MS. Just click that and it will be applied to our presentation. Best practice is to save your assignment after each step. So now we are moving on to the step number 3 of our assignment, and it is saying that you have to navigate to the slide 1. This is slide 1. I am already on the slide 1. Set the horizontal position to 2.1 and vertical position to 2.1 for the subtitle placeholder. Okay, so this is the subtitle placeholder and we have to change the position. Come to the shape format tab, come to the size group, size and position, just click that arrow and then move to the bottom and then click the position dialog box you will see. So you can change the horizontal position 2.1 from here. So position, change the horizontal position 2.1. There we go, 2.1, and vertical position to 2.1 also. We have to set both of these same 2.1 and we will see it will where it bring the subtitle placeholder. So it has bring it over just beneath the title. There we go. So now it is looking beautiful. You have to save your file. So this was our step number 3. Now we will move on to the step number 4 of our assignment, and it is saying that navigate to the slide 4. This is second, third and fourth. There we go. This is our slide 4. And shorten the text for each bullet point to only bold text. Okay. Each bullet point. So this is our slide 4 and this is our bullet placeholder, and what we have to do, we have to shorten the text for the each bullet point to only the bold text. Delete all the punctuation marks as well. There we go. So let's start it from here. Just delete all the text. We are shortening it and we have to delete the punctuation marks as well. Similarly do it for the second one, sources of protein. Delete the punctuation marks as well. There we go. Do it for the third one, whole grains. Shorten it. There we go. Delete the punctuation mark as well. There we go. Basic staples. Shorten it to the only bold text so that only the bold text remain at the end of our action. Save our file. There we go. We have shortened our text to the only the bullet points, and we have deleted the punctuation marks as well. There we go. On slide 2, so this was our step number 4, and now we will move on to the slide number 2. What it is saying, you have to drag the text box. First of all, move to the slide 2. This is slide 2. So this is the box that we have to drag to the left side of the slide, approximately 4 wide and 4 tall, under the text box with the text location. Okay. Now we have to insert a drag box or draw box, text box. There we go. We have to just, what's the size of that box? It should be 4 wide and 1 tall. Come to the shape format, 1 tall and 4 wide. There we go, just under the text location. And type 123 Main Street, press enter. 123 Main Street, press enter. Frisco TX. Okay, we have to type this thing. Frisco TX 75036. There we go. We have to type this thing. Just save our file. There we go. You have to save from here. After performing this, we have to now change the font size to 20. Come to the text box, select the text like that and change the font size from here to 20. You can do it from here, and you can just open the dialog box and then change the font size from here. Just click OK. So we have changed the font size of our text box to 20, and now we will set the horizontal position to 0.6 and vertical position to 2.4 for the text box. So this is our text box, font size is 20, and now we will go to the shape format for setting the horizontal and vertical position. Just open the dialog box and then come down and hit the position and set the horizontal position. Set the horizontal position to 0.6. okay, it's 0.5, so just set it 0.6, and vertical position to 2.4. I already have set that approximately, and I was almost right. Just the 2 point I was missing. Just save the file. So I will just save my file. Best practice is to save your file after each step so you may not lose your data if any kind of misadventure happens. So this was the step number 5 and I am done with it. Now I will move on to the step number 6 of our assignment, and it is saying that on slide 2, first of all go to the slide 2. I am already on the slide number 2, and insert an oval shape on the right side of the slide. Go to the insert tab and then go to the shapes. Okay, insert an oval shape. This is an oval shape on the right side of the slide. Just click here and it will be inserted here. Set the height and width of the shape to 5.3. We have to set both height and width to 5.3. So here is the height. We have to change the height from here to 5.3 and width also to 5.3. We will later on set out the position of this box too, so that it may fit on the slide. Just drag the box here. Now set the horizontal position to 7 and vertical to 0.85. I have shown you several times in the last video and in this video as well that how to change the horizontal and vertical position, how to set the horizontal and vertical position. Just go to the shape format, open the dialog box. This is already open. Just click the position tab, open the position tab, and you can set from here the horizontal position to 7. There we go. We have to set the horizontal position to 7 and vertical position to 0.85. 0.8, sorry, 0.9. We have to type here 0.85. There we go. So horizontal and vertical position are also set, and now we have to insert image as a picture fill in the shape. How to do this part of our step number 6 I will show you. Just click the image and you will see the option of fill. If you close it, now you open it again. Solid fill, but we have to look for the picture fill. And what is the picture? It is talking about donation that I told you in the start that you must have these two files. This is the image donation. Just click that and it will be filled with the donation image. You can check that. And what's the next part of this step? It is saying that apply a 6 pt torque green fill outline to the shape. Okay, we have to apply the outline. You can do it from here. This is the shape outline. 6 pt. First of all, set the width to 6 point and then change the color to dark green accent 6, sorry. Dark green accent 6. Just click that and it will be applied. Now you can see that you have a shape outline of 6 pt width. You can see it's 6 and the color of dark green. So this part of our step number 6 is also done, and this point worth for 14 point. This is the most heaviest or the most graded point of our assignment, so you have to follow my video to get the full scores in this point. So we are done with step number 6 of our assignment, and now we move on to the step number 7. For step number 7, we have to move on to the slide number 3. There we go. This is our slide number 3. And insert a rectangular shape above the text box with the text this one. This is the text box with the text 14.25 pounds. And what we have to do, we have to insert a rectangular shape above the text box. We have to insert a rectangular shape here. Go to the insert tab, go to the shapes, and this is rectangle. There we go. And just click here and type patron in that shape, that rectangle shape that we inserted right now. Patrons. Just type here patrons. You can see this. And next, what we have to do, we have to set the shape height to 0.6 and shape width to 3.33. Shape height to 0.6. This is shape height. Just reduce the shape height from 1 to 0.6 in this way, and then shape width to 3.33. One, two, three, and type the 3 again here. There we go. 3.33. There we go. This is how to format this shape. And what's the next part of this step? Set the horizontal position to 0.83 and vertical position to 4.4. Okay, I have shown you several times how to set the horizontal and vertical position. Just close the size tab and then go to the position. You can see this is open. I close that and I am opening it again. What the horizontal position we have to set? We have to set the horizontal position to 0.83. It's 0.88 and we have to set it to 0.83. There we go. This is the horizontal position, and vertical position to 4.4. Okay, it's 4.24, 4.3 and 4.4. So there should be no space between these two boxes. This is the patron box and this is the 4.25 pounds box. So there should be no space. We have to set the horizontal and vertical position in a way that there should be no space between these two boxes. Okay, we have done that. And now what we have to do, we have to do some formatting of our box. Change the font size to 28. Select that box, go to the home tab and change the font size from here to 28. You can just type in here 28 and it will be applied. There we go. What's next? We have to apply the intense effect gold Sn2 shape style. What we have to apply, we have to look for, first of all we have to look for the shape styles and then we have to apply this style. Okay, select the shape. Our shape is selected. Shape format. This is the shape style. This is the word art style. You don't have to apply that. This is the shape style, and then we have to look for the gold intense effect. This is not intense effect, moderate effect, gold Sn2. This is the effect that we have to apply. Gold intense effect, gold Sn2 shape style. We have to apply this. Just click that and it will be applied to our text patron. You can see this. So this was our step number 7 of our assignment, and now we will move on to the step number 8 of our assignment, and it is saying that on slide 3 you have to duplicate the rectangle shape with the text patron. For you can duplicate this in two ways, like you can just copy paste that, just select that, copy and control V. It will generate the copy or it will duplicate that. And you can just select that and press Ctrl D. It will also duplicate that. Drag this box here above that, because we have to do the formatting of this box here, and type vendor in the shape. Instead of patrons, we have to type vendors here. Vendors, there we go. And change the shape style. We also have to change the shape style to intense effect orange SN3. Intense effect orange SN3, there we go. Select that box, change the shape style from here, intense effect orange SN3. This is the intense effect orange SN3. When you click that, shape style of intense effect orange SN3 will be applied. There we go, you can see this. And what we have to do next, we have to set the horizontal position to 5 and vertical position to 4.4. I already have set that position, but we have to fix that. I just put an idea that it will be here, but we have to change it from here. Just close that box and open the size dialog box, and then again this is the position tab, horizontal position, vertical position. What's the horizontal position? It's 5. It's 5. You can see, you can check my guess that where it will be. And then vertical position to 4.4. It's 4.3. I just missed the 1 point, and it will be 4.4 now. So we are done with step number 8 of our assignment, and now we will move on to the step number 9. Step number 9, it is saying that on slide 3, duplicate the rectangle shape with the text patron again and type total in the space. You can just duplicate this one as well, this one as well. Both will work the same, but instructor want us to duplicate the patron text, patron shape. So you will press Ctrl D and then just drag it here. There we go. And type total in the shape. Total in the shape. We have just typed the total here. And what we will do next, change the shape style to intense effect dark green SN6. Okay, change the shape style as we did in the previous 2 steps. Just select that shape format and shape style from here. What is the style? I just forget that. Intense effect dark green SN6. So this is the line for the intense effects. Intense effect dark green SN6. So this is the style that instructor wants us to apply to our shape. Just click that and it will be applied. What's next? We have to set the horizontal and vertical position. Okay, our text box is already selected. Go to the position tab and horizontal position to 9.17. It's 9.18. Look at my gas, look at my engagement. Just horizontal position is 9.17. I just missed the 0.1, and then vertical position is 4.4. It's 4.3. There we go. Just save our file. I have shown you 9 steps of this assignment. If you want me to do this assignment for you, just hit me back on WhatsApp or email. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want me to complete this full course for you, then I am also here. I can do the other courses like accounting, finance, mathematics, statistics, marketing, operation management, English, all writing stuff. Just hit me back on WhatsApp or email. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want me to do this assignment or full course for you, just hit me back on WhatsApp or email. I can provide you all the services like Cash App, Zelle, whatever you require. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in another video. Goodbye.